Dear friends, this is Virendra. It's my great pleasure to share with you some of the noble thoughts that will help inspire and empower you to take action towards your dream and make you a person full of happiness with abundance of all virtues of life: character, success, money power, pride, dignity, name, fame. Here we go. Do not go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail. Anytime we should not confine ourselves to the comfort zone. We have to invent some new island of pleasure and happiness in life. If you want to take your mission in life to the next level, if you are stuck and you don't know how to rise, don't look outside yourself. Look inside. Don't let your fears keep you mired in the crowd. Abolish your fears and raise your commitment level to the point of no return. And I guarantee you that the champion within will burst forth to propel you to victory and success. He that is good for making excuses is seldom good for anything else. It was told once by Benjamin Franklin. There is no such things as good excuse. The great man is that does not lose his child's heart. He who fears something gives it power over him. It is from numberless diverse acts of courage and belief that human history is shaped. Each time a man stands up for an ideal or acts to improve the lot of others or strike out against injustice, he sends forth a tiny ripple of hope. Robert Francis Kennedy. From caring comes courage. Confidence is contagious. So is lack of confidence. Hold your head high. Stick your chest out. You can make it. It gets dark sometimes, but morning comes. Keep your hope alive. Your belief, your faith, your power of conviction that will lead you from darkness to light and towards success. I was always looking outside myself for strength and confidence, but it comes from within. It is there all the time. This is told by once Kabir. तेरा साई तुझ में जो पहुँपन में बास, कस्तूरी जो मृग में फिर सूंघे घास. The person who goes farthest is generally the one who is willing to do and dare. The sure thing, boat never gets far from shore. Dale Carnegie. That you may retain your self-respect, it is better to displease the people by doing what you know is right than to temporarily please them by doing what you know is wrong. He who is brave is free. Also, who take risk is also free. As fear is close companions of falsehood, so truth follows fearlessness. A man of courage is also full of faith. Deep faith eliminates fear. Like dark clouds that cover the sun's light from shining through, so it is with fears that cover the natural light of your inner courage from shining through. Act as if it were impossible to fail. Dear friends, these are very proven facts of life. They can really guide us and illuminate our path to lead to our real success in life. Self-confidence is the first requisite to great undertakings. As is our confidence, so is our capacity. Last, but by no means least, courage, moral courage, the courage of one's convictions, the courage to see things through. The world is in a constant conspiracy against the brave. It's the age-old struggle. The roar of the crowd on one side and the voice of your conscience on the other. This is a famous quote by Douglas MacArthur. Most of our obstacles would melt away if instead of cowering before them, we should make up our minds to work boldly through them. You block your dream when you allow your fear to grow bigger than your faith. Courage and perseverance have a magical talisman before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish into thin air. Dear friends, there is much more to talk. But again, as usual, I wish these thoughts are enough for this moment to make us wiser. Ponder over it, think over it, chew and digest it, and make the breathe of our life. Nobody can deny our success. Nobody can deny our growth and prosperity. Many people followed it and they achieved it. जिन खोजा तिन पाइयां गहरे पानी पैठ जो भौरा डूबन रहा किनारे बैठ. Have courage, have conviction, have faith in your personality. Victory is yours. Success is yours. Happiness is yours. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.